Back. Oh, he's down. Oh, I'm pretty sure he's down. Oh my God. I'm pretty sure he's down. What time is it? 7 o'clock. I've been in the tree for like an hour. Oh my God. I didn't get that on camera. Alright, I'll take it. I think he took the arrow with him. I don't think I had passed it on him. I think I got him in the shoulder. So let's see how far we went. Oh, 16 yards. That's great. Okay, I'm pretty sure he has the arrow with him, so let's just follow him through. I don't see an arrow here. Oh, I'm lying. There's the arrow. Oh, this is the half that counts. It's got my broadhead on it. There's a feather. Alright, cool. I'll take it. Maybe he's got the other half with the fletchings. I kind of ran that way. Just gonna walk back there. There's blood though. Looks like some blood right there. Yep. Oh, good blood. Oh, there's the other half arrow. Nice. Stops right here. Alright, there's blood right there. Let's put it out. Gotta scour a little bit. Oh, what an idiot. He's right there. Oh, he's great. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my god, look at that shot. Oh my goodness. My dude. You are beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, my man. Thank you. Ooh, thank you. Oh man, I walked circles around him. Oh my god, you are beautiful. I gotta call my wife. FaceTime with my son. I'm gonna get him in a better position. I'll FaceTime my boy. Oh my god. What a stud. What an absolute stud. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my god. What a beautiful deer. Oh my gosh. The camera was off this morning. And I hit press record, I would have got the shot on camera. Oh my gosh, you are beautiful. What a good looking buck. Look, boy, hanging out with a deer in the woods. Oh, look at him.
Huh? Say hey, dear.
Look how big he is.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Bacon Whoppy.
Oh yeah, it's some bacon right here. What are you doing?
Is it bacon right here?
It's a bacon, son, yes. first one. Oh, there's the heart. I didn't get him in the heart though. I got him in the lungs here. Lungs kind of sit in the body like this. One side right there. There's the other side. Double lunged him. Hopefully you can hear that in the video. I don't know if you can or not. I'll have to play it back here a little bit. Let's see. Doesn't look like I got him in the trach. But right at the base of it, there you go. Right at the base of the trachea. Might even got some great vessels at just the top of the heart there, most likely. I cut them off, you just can't see them.